was insane. I got seasick. It was bad. Good morning, everyone. So we are going to be doing our excursion. At the moment, we just left the ship, and yeah. So we are headed to where the tour guide is, and I'm going to be taking you around Mykonos to see the best of Mykonos. So please keep watching. Also, before we start, for those of you who don't know me, welcome. My name is Marinella, and I'm uploading vlogs from a cruise with Royal Caribbean International. I'm on Explorer of the Seas. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so. Sandy, can you tell us a little bit about the excursion?
Sure. We're going to 3 places. I think one is Delos, the other one I don't know, and the other one is Mykonos downtown. JK, town of Mykonos.
Stay, if the bridge is here, stay here until this long start to get.
That's Delos Island right there. So we are on top of the boat. Here is the beginning of the tour, and they told us that they have sufficient life jackets for everyone. So we are going to make our way to the next port, and that's where the cruise is going to begin. Our destination, and I want for you guys to see the view. The water here is so beautiful. Oh, those are the bathrooms. They told us to use the bathrooms on the boat because they only have 2 bathrooms for everyone here. Delos is an ancient island in Greece. With this tour, what they're going to do is that they're going to guide you throughout the city so that you can get an insight of how this civilization lived. The guide told us that without electricity, when people would live here, they created an AC system using marble and water. Basically, they would fill the floor with water, and since marble itself is cool, they would go inside the room to cool off. It's me again. So behind me, this is a museum shop. It's open on one side, but right now it's not fully functioning. And behind that is where they have a water fountain, not a water fountain, but they sell bottled water. You have to have coins for it. That's very important. If you don't have coins, then there's like a little shop. Let's see if I can show you. Right over there, where you can change €5, and then they give you money so that you can go and get your bottled water. But just so you guys have an idea, let me show you. Let's go. Look, this is where they have the water fountain. I keep saying water fountain, but this is where they have the bottled water right here. And then this is the ocean, the shore. It's so beautiful. So there is a cafeteria that they have, which I think looks like a cafeteria, so I wanted to show you. And then the restrooms are also here. Wait, I disappeared. Oh no, it's not a cafeteria. I think this is where they exchange the money. It's not a cafeteria. So yeah, no food. And then this is the ship that's going to take us to the second part of the excursion, because this excursion is for like 8 hours. So we haven't ate anything. I had breakfast before I left. That's about it. So there's a cafeteria inside the ship. Yeah, they only accept cash. So there's fruit. Sandwiches, drinks, sodas. This is where we're gonna sit. So I don't sit here. So I'll have to get in through here. Ah! There's Sandy over there. And then look at this view. Gorgeous. Everyone is having a snack break. Can't even breathe. And I'm having this sandwich. Tomatoes here have a whole new taste. This is ham, bread, and I want for you guys to see how cool this is. So, my hair is a mess, but here's the sandwich. How much was this?
€8.
Two of these and one of these, it was €80. Not bad. Then we went on to the island of Mykonos. It was so windy. When I'm telling you so windy, it was insane, to the fact that the following day we went to Athens, and after that, that's when they canceled the port of Olympia because of how strong the winds were and how unsafe it was. So if you go during the month of June, just know that it might be very windy. So we have made it up to the windmills. I want for you guys to see. So these are iconic to Mykonos and they are centuries old. Here they are. By the way, if you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep exploring Mykonos, and I do truly apologize about the wind. As you guys know, my microphone broke yesterday, so it is what it is.
Shops yesterday to see the clothes that I carry ready to buy or dress as a gift.
So we are still walking through the streets of Mykonos, and they have a lot of shops. Some of the dresses here run anywhere from like €40 to over €100. It all depends on what you're looking for. Something that you need to know about this excursion, it's more of a historical tour. So if you want to experience the restaurants, if you want to go to the beach, then this tour is not for you. For €10, this is the bag I got. It's for my mom. It says, great, Mykonos, here we go. And this is the beach, guys. So you guys can see it's super crowded. But look at the water. It's beautiful. On the camera, you can't really see the blue, but it's a turquoise with the light blue. It's beautiful. Checking in to let you guys know that we're on the bus and that we are making our way to the restaurant where we're gonna have lunch as part of the excursion.
Our small, big supermarket. This is the biggest that we have over like that. We have 10,000 people. 10,000 size. But we are allowed to walk here to a certain part of the summer time. It's another country, and it's not big. It is a little area that offers some job.
We have arrived. We have arrived. This is the street. And when I tell you that this excursion takes a lot of walking, we go up a lot of hills, it's no joke. So we're gonna use the restroom here and we're gonna have lunch. It's like a little town. We have souvenirs here. I got another. Ooh, let's see what they have. Okay, so cute. Have these. So pretty. Oh wow! Look at these. So cool. And then there's like a little plaza here. And then Verdos. Taverna. So there's a restaurant. By the way, I know you guys know that like I don't tan, I burn pretty easily, and I burnt my entire arm because I left my SPF. So Sandy has burnt his entire face. So if you come on this excursion, make sure you bring SPF because you're gonna get sunburned. This is the restaurant. Oh wow. So cool. There we go.
Terrible. That place has grown.
This is the salad that they gave us. It's for two. So
You can take a picture for Kelsey.
Sandy and I, well, Sandy's gonna eat it.
Yeah, but you can tell her, take some
This
pictures.
is a
and we'll
Greek
send them
salad.
in. Give me the spoon. Is it a cream
This is
tea
for
or
the
ranch?
bread. This is like a sauce. And then this is like a paste.
What's that?
It's like a hummus. Really good.
So you can tell her Greek food.
Steak. I don't know what this is. Meatballs, chicken. Oh, this could be pork. Pork, I think. Ah! So, potatoes, pork, ground beef. I think this is an omelet. Chicken. Yum yum. You're heading inside a monastery. They do a talk that much, but I'll show you guys inside. Go, after you.
The icons that are small, icons are representing the big festivals that we have in the Christian Orthodox Church, and we call them 12 icons. Here inside we have the beautiful table inside, the holy table, and then he has the curtains and you can see. And to the left side only we have Virgin Mary with the baby.
Instead of relax, would you like to have some, I don't know, John Bass with music?
I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you loved this video. This was a lengthy video. I'm giving it a shot to see if you like this. So if you do, leave a comment. I'm going to be answering comments in this video. So if you have any questions, you want to reach out, be sure to drop a comment. If you could share this video, I would really appreciate it, and also like it. That truly helps me. And I'm gonna have more vlogs coming up on Italy, on the excursions that I did on the cruise. So be sure to subscribe and help me spread the word. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you next time. Bye.